I'm going to show you how I painted my range hood. I had searched and searched for a gold range hood and couldn't find one, so I decided to paint the one that I had. The first step was to give the hood a good cleaning, and then I removed the lights and the baffles and then gave it a good sanding all over so that the paint would adhere better. I then taped everything off and hung plastic on all of the surrounding cabinets and countertops just to prevent any overspray. And trust me, you don't want to skip this step. This is the paint that I used. It's called the Rust-Oleum Metallic, and the color is Champagne Bronze. I gave the hood 3 light coats of paint and waited about 20 minutes between each coat. And be sure to open some windows and doors to get some good ventilation. So this is how the range hood turned out. The gold is really a nice shade. It matches the handles really well. And the range, the gold looks great together. And I left the baffles, the silver color, didn't bother painting those. And then the buttons for the light and the fans, I just painted over the wording, and it's really not a big deal once you know which button does what. But it turned out really great. Let me know what you guys think. If you like this kind of content, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss anything in the future.